Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, so all this noise from Nnamdi Kanu and his crew is just bluster apparently. So that thing that happened to Enyinnaya in Germany was just a lucky punch. It was a bit like that Rios against Anthony Joshua. So just lucky punch, a chance as opportunity. So apparently all this thumping and all this nzobu and all this iberiberism that they've been bombarding us with all over the internet is just empty bluster. So guys, with that I bring you this. Abaribe dares IPOB travels to US for award ceremony. So that's the headline. Abaribe dares IPOB travels to the US for award ceremony. So now let's get into what happened. Senator Enyinnaya Abaribe has ignored the warnings issued to Igbo leaders by members of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB to avoid traveling to foreign countries. IPOB issued the warning after former Deputy Senate President Ike Ekweremadu was seriously dealt with by members of the group in Nuremberg, Germany, where he went to attend an Iri event. So that would be the New Yam Festival in their language. The World Igbo Congress, WIC, at the weekend in Houston, Texas, conferred on the minority leader of the Senate the prestigious Distinguished Service Award 2019 for his courage, consistency, and the defense of rule of law and people's rights in democracy. So really, this is one of those, again, it's just a short little caption to this particular narrative, and again is one of those that the pictures actually tell the tale. So the pictures really is the story of this particular video. So here we have this senator, I'm not going to attempt his first name, Abaribe, in Houston, Texas, in defiance of Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB ragtag bunch, to say that, okay, here I am, where are you? You can see him smiling, brimming with confidence, and being celebrated by the people who invited him. But where is Nnamdi Kanu and his followers? This is where the question is. So all this bombastic thumping noise that we have been hearing for weeks on end is just bluster. So now this Senator Abaribe has broken the ceiling. He has forced his way through, and he didn't even force his way through. He just went casually, enjoyed himself, and celebrated it with photos all over the internet. He's in Houston, Texas now. So where's Nnamdi Kanu and his followers is where the question is. So empty blusters and bombastic behavior and is what I am asking you to come discuss with me now. Please leave the abuse, because this is the goings on that I'm reporting to you. You made this call out that if they come out of the country, you're going to accost them. He's now out of the country publicly, going about his day-to-day. So where are you is the question now. Conversations in the comment section. Come tell me where Nnamdi Kanu and his band of merry men are hiding as this senator straddles the landscape of the United States in full chest out and confidence. So where are you is the question. So come tell me where you are in the comment section. But before you come tell me where you are in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me where Nnamdi Kanu and his band of cowboys are hiding. Come, let's have conversations around that in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.